Chamomile, rich in antioxidants, protects skin from environmental stresses and slows aging, making it beneficial for mature skin, reducing fine lines, wrinkles, and other signs of aging. Chamomile is a popular ingredient for those with sensitive or reactive skin due to its calming properties. It helps reduce stinging, burning, and itching sensations, preventing itchiness and dryness caused by external factors. Chamomile extract is particularly beneficial for those with eczema or rosacea, as it eases burning, stinging, and itching sensations. Chamomile flavonoids are antioxidants that protect the skin from oxidative stress, which can lead to cell damage and accelerated aging. Chamomile's antioxidants can reduce dark circles and puffiness around the eyes, making it an effective eye mask or a refreshing addition to facial serums. Chamomile oil with coconut oil to calm skin irritation, hydrate, and add radiance. This herbal medicine is effective in healing sunburns. Add a few drops to baths or cold compresses for quicker healing. Chamomile oil is a natural remedy for skin conditions such as eczema, dark circles, and psoriasis. It has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, reducing inflammation and eliminating acne-causing bacteria. It can be applied topically or as a toner to treat breakouts and prevent recurrence. Chamomile oil is a natural remedy for reducing eczema symptoms, including redness, itching, and inflammation. It can be used as a compressor or added to bath water for pain relief. Chamomile can also help with acne and scar-free skin. Chamomile enhances skin texture and tone by boosting collagen production, a vital protein for skin elasticity and firmness, which naturally decreases with age. Chamomile oil is a natural remedy for crow's feet, dark circles, and skin irritation, repairing, regenerating, and strengthening skin. It's beneficial for those with allergies, sunburn, rashes, and combats hyperpigmentation and uneven skin tone. Chamomile extract aids in faster wound healing by reducing inflammation and promoting cell regeneration. This accelerates healing and minimizes scarring. Chamomile's ability to lower inflammation and promote cell growth also aids in skin healing, preventing and treating dry, cracked, or flaky skin. Chamomile extract is high in antioxidants, which can protect the skin from environmental stresses such as pollution and UV radiation. This can help to keep the skin looking healthy and youthful by preventing premature aging. Chamomile, with its skin-lightening properties, is beneficial for individuals with hyperpigmented skin, as it reduces dark spots and uneven skin tone, resulting in a brighter, more even complexion. Chamomile extract, rich in flavonoids, has anti-inflammatory properties, reducing skin redness and swelling, making it beneficial for sensitive or irritated skin, preventing dryness and flakiness. Chamomile's anti-inflammatory properties can reduce rosacea-related redness and inflammation, making it a soothing ingredient for toner or facial mask applications. Chamomile extract, rich in natural oils, hydrates and nourishes the skin, resulting in a radiant, soft, and supple appearance. It's particularly beneficial for those with dry or dehydrated skin, as it enhances skin texture, resulting in a more radiant and soft complexion.